and welcome to a culinary adventure that will take you across the globe without leaving your kitchen. I'm SM, and today we're not just cooking, we're exploring the world's most iconic dishes. From rustic Italy to bustling Thailand, we'll uncover the secrets and stories behind legendary recipes. This is your passport to a world of taste. Real food, real history, real passion. So, before we dive in, tell me in the comments, what's your favorite international dish? Enough talk, let's get cooking, let's go. First stop, Naples, Italy, the birthplace of pizza. Not your average takeaway, but authentic Neapolitan pizza. A UNESCO heritage masterpiece. It's all about simplicity, dough, tomatoes, cheese, and fire. Legend says the margherita was created in 1889 to honor Queen Margherita, with ingredients representing the Italian flag. The dough is everything. Proofed for hours, stretched by hand, never rolled. You want that puffy, airy crust, the cornicione, the mark of a true pizzaiolo. San Marzano tomatoes grown in volcanic soil make the sauce, just crushed by hand with a pinch of salt. No extra nonsense, let the tomatoes shine. The cheese, mozzarella di bufala or fior di latte, fresh, creamy and never soggy. Freshness is key. Then comes the fire. A wood-fired oven at 450-500 degrees Celsius, cooking the pizza in just 60-90 seconds. The result? Charred, leopard-spotted crust, bubbling cheese, vibrant sauce. Every bite is a taste of Naples, history, passion and perfection. Real pizza is simple, honest and unforgettable. So next time you eat pizza, remember you're tasting generations of tradition. Respect the craft, use the best ingredients and never settle for less. That's the magic of Neapolitan pizza. Now, let's move on. Don't forget it. Next, we fly east to Japan and dive into the art of sushi. Sushi isn't just fish on rice, it's a lifelong pursuit of perfection. The itamai, or sushi chef, spends years mastering the rice, shari. Each grain distinct, seasoned just right, served at body temperature. The rice is the soul, get it wrong and the sushi fails. The fish, neta, must be pristine, sourced at its seasonal peak, handled with absolute precision. Knife skills are everything. A single fluid slice preserves the fish's texture. Nigiri is crafted with minimal pressure, a whisper of wasabi and the perfect balance of rice and fish. The chef decides the seasoning. Soy sauce is brushed on, not drowned. Every bite is harmony, warm, tangy rice, cool, delicate fish, subtle heat and umami. Sushi is about respect for the ingredients, the process and the diner. Watching an itamai is witnessing a ritual, a performance honed over years. It's not about excess, it's about purity and balance. Don't drown it in soy or pile on ginger, taste the fish. Sushi is a cultural treasure, a symbol of Japanese elegance and discipline. Each piece is a story, a moment of perfection. When you eat sushi, you're tasting centuries of tradition. Appreciate the craft, honor the ingredients, and savor every bite. That's the soul of sushi. Pure, unadulterated elegance. Beautiful. Now let's continue our journey. Next stop, France. Let's go. We're in France making coq au vin, rooster with wine, the heart of French country cooking. This dish is about transforming humble ingredients into something extraordinary. Traditionally, it used an old rooster, braised low and slow in red wine until meltingly tender. The process starts with searing chicken for deep flavor, then sautéing aromatics, onions, carrots, garlic, scraping up all the fond. In goes a good Burgundy wine. Never cook with wine you wouldn't drink. The wine and chicken stock create a rich, complex sauce as it simmers for hours. Collagen breaks down, thickening the sauce naturally. Patience is key. There are no shortcuts to this kind of depth. Near the end, classic garnishes, crispy bacon, caramelized pearl onions, golden mushrooms. These add texture and cut through the richness. The result? Meat so tender it falls off the bone, coated in glossy, deeply flavored sauce. Serve with mashed potatoes or crusty bread to soak up every drop. Coq au vin is French history and ingenuity in a pot. It's comfort, tradition and pure satisfaction. A hug in a bowl. That's the magic of French cooking. Now let's head to Mexico. The journey continues. Ready for tacos? Let's go. Next stop, Mexico. Don't blink. Here we go. Tacos await. Welcome to Mexico, the land of vibrant flavors and the king of street food, the taco. Forget supermarket hard shells. A real taco is a soft, warm corn tortilla, the soul of Mexican cuisine. The tortilla, made from nixtamalized corn mesa, is earthy and pliable, nothing like bland flour versions. Fillings are endless. Al pastor pork with pineapple, slow-cooked carnitas, smoky barbacoa, or fresh fish tacos from Baja. Each region has its specialty, each taco tells a story. Vegetarian options shine too. Grilled cactus, mushrooms, beans. Salsas and garnishes are essential. Fari roja, tangy verde, creamy avocado, fresh onion, cilantro, and a squeeze of lime. Tacos are democratic, found everywhere, uniting people from all walks of life. You eat standing, shoulder to shoulder, sharing a simple, perfect meal. It's fast, fresh, and an explosion of flavor. The taco is the beating heart of Mexican culture. Pure joy in your hand. So next time, skip the kit, make it real. Taste the tradition. Viva el taco. Now let's spice things up in India. Butter chicken awaits. Let's go. Now to India, for Murg Makhani, butter chicken, the world's favorite comfort food. Born in Delhi in the 1950s, it was a clever way to revive leftover tandoori chicken. The secret? Marinate chicken twice, first with ginger, garlic, lime, then with yogurt and spices for tenderness and flavor. Traditionally cooked in a tandoor for smoky char, but a hot grill works too. The sauce, makhani, is a rich blend of pureed tomatoes, butter, cream, and aromatic spices like garam masala, cumin, and fenugreek. It's not about heat, but a symphony of flavors. Spices bloomed in fat, tomatoes cooked down, finished with butter and cream. The chicken simmers in the sauce, soaking up every nuance. The result? Smoky, tangy chicken in a velvety, mildly spiced gravy. Serve with basmati rice or naan to scoop up every drop. Butter chicken is pure bliss. Indian comfort at its finest, a global icon, born from ingenuity. Now let's hit the streets of Bangkok. Pad Thai is next. Ready? Let's go. Welcome to Thailand, home of Pad Thai, the ultimate street food. Pad Thai is a masterclass in balance, sweet, sour, salty, and spicy in every bite. Born in the 1930s as a symbol of Thai identity, it quickly became a global favorite. The base, flat rice noodles, soaked until chewy, never mushy. The sauce is everything: tamarind for sour, fish sauce for salt, palm sugar for sweet, chili for heat. Stir fry is fast: hot wok, tofu and shrimp or chicken, then egg, then noodles and sauce. Toss vigorously so every strand is coated and caramelized. Finish with fresh bean sprouts, garlic chives and roasted peanuts for crunch. Serve with lime and chili flakes, mix it all together for a final burst of freshness. Pad Thai is interactive, vibrant and utterly delicious. It's the taste of Bangkok's streets in your kitchen. Balance is key. Don't overdo any one flavor. Respect the process. Enjoy the explosion of taste. Next we travel to Morocco. The tagine awaits. Let's go, onward! Our final stop, Morocco, and the legendary tagine. Tagine is both the conical pot and the aromatic stew inside, a marvel of slow cooking. The pot's design recycles steam, keeping everything moist and intensifying flavors. The dish is a tapestry of sweet and savory, built on spices like cumin, coriander, cinnamon, and ras el hanout. Start by browning meat, lamb or chicken, with onions and garlic, then toast the spices to unlock their aroma. Add a splash of stock, then layer in prunes, almonds, preserved lemons, olives or root vegetables. Slow cook for hours, no rushing, until the meat is meltingly tender and the sauce is rich. The aroma fills your home, promising something special. Serve with couscous or Moroccan bread to soak up every drop. Tagine is more than food. It's a communal sensory experience, a taste of Moroccan hospitality and history. Slow food at its best. Lift the lid, breathe in the magic, share it with friends and family. That's the spirit of Morocco. Wonderful. There you have it, 7 dishes, 7 journeys across the world. Now it's your turn. Take this inspiration and cook something new. Don't be afraid. Pick a recipe, make a mess, and taste the world at home. Share the experience with friends and family. Create your own culinary memories. If you enjoyed this adventure, hit subscribe and ring the bell for more. Tell me in the comments, which dish will you try first, or what global classic should I tackle next? Thanks for joining me. Now get cooking. Cheers.